Hey guys, need to hide your IP, boost your privacy, or run your Chrome browser through a proxy saver? In this video, I will show you how to set up SOCKS, HTTP, and HTTPS proxies in the Chrome browser, step by step. Here's the key thing. Chrome, just like the Brave browser, doesn't have its own proxy settings. It relies on your system settings, so once you configure a proxy on your computer, the browser will automatically use it. Let's dive in. First, open your Chrome browser and click the three dots menu at the top right corner. Click on Settings, then System. Under System, click on Open my computer's proxy settings. On a Windows computer, you will see a screen like this. Click Set up manual proxy and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your proxy setup. If you're using a Mac, your screen will look a little different. You'll see a number of options here, but for the purpose of this video, we'll focus on the three that really matter. That is the web proxy, the secure web proxy, and lastly, the SOCKS proxy. Now, choose the type of proxy you want to use and turn it on right here. Enter the IP address and port number from your proxy provider. If your proxy requires a username and password, just turn this on, type them in, and you're good to go. Click OK to save your settings. From now on, Chrome browser will automatically route traffic through the proxy you just set up. And if for some reason your proxy isn't working, maybe it's expired, weak, or just slowing down your connection, you can always go back to your computer's proxy settings and update your proxy details with a new one, or turn the proxy off completely. And that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.